Calculation of percentage change. We will discuss two examples in this video training, and we will have the data available here in this table. So first of all, I want to tell you this video is created on the Android cell phone Microsoft application, and you can use and apply the formula and function on your application as well. And this example also for the desktop version, because the same procedure you have to apply on the desktop version application. Means that you can, if you are using laptop or the computer, so you can apply the same formula and the function, which I will show you over here. So I'm going to clear the data. First of all, I want you to subscribe my channel right now, and please press a like button right now, so it will help me to, it's really motivate me to make more videos for you and teach you. So I'm going to add last year price manually, just to show you. I'm going to quickly add in it 15, and then consider as 7. Pencil will be like $3, and the $12 colors, and the current year price is 10, 15, and 14, 2, 9. In this video we will create, we will apply a different formula from the previous one, as we already did multiple exercises on the percentage calculation, as we already do many examples of percentage calculation on a desktop as well, and we also give multiple trainings on the cell phone as well. You can use application, Microsoft application on your cell phone, so you can familiar with that. So we have done multiple examples and training on this topic for the calculation of percentage change. We started from the percentage calculation, then we apply on a different method. Here you can see, we can, once we select the terms of examinations, we can get the result as well. So there are multiple example available on my channel. Here you can see here the another example. We also create percentage chart, and as well as a pie chart as well. So you will find a multiple example on my channel. Here you can see we also created pie chart, and we also discussed the basic formula of percentage change calculation. This is the basic formula, but here I'm gonna change, I wanna apply a different formula in this example. The previous formula we use as the new value will be subtracted from the old value, and then the answer will be divided with the old value, and then we can multiply with the 100, or we can get the answer in the percentage format, so we don't need to multiply with the 100. So you can watch this complete video from my channel. It's available, link is also available in the description, so you will get the answer. Now I'm going to discuss the current example, which is based on the last year percentage calculation. So the formula is very simple over here. I want you to subscribe right now. The formula, before telling you the formula, I want to tell you the most important thing, that this application is available on the Microsoft Excel, and this is the on the Google Play Store, which is this. So you can install from this Google Play Store. There are multiple Excel softwares available online you can use, but they are they contain ads. They are mostly, some application are paid, but this application is the official Microsoft application, and this is free of ads, and all functions are available as available on the desktop. So you can use it, and you can create your report, or you can submit your report as well if you are traveling, or if you are doing something else. So you can work anywhere. So I'm going to apply the formula is different from the previous one, but in this example we will apply a new formula for your understanding. Maybe you like this formula. So the formula is the price of last year. The price of last year, the formula is double open two bracket formula, price of last year subtracted from the price of current year, and then divide with the this is something wrong happened over here. Let me clear it and show you again. The formula is is equal to open double bracket, then the price of last year subtracted from the price of current year, and then we will divide with the price of last year. So we have sorry, we need to close the bracket right now before the divide as well and after the divide as well. So we get some number, but this is the wrong value. Let me show you. So here you can see we are getting the result, but in the negative for negative figures, and the positive figures are actually should be negative. So I'm going to edit this formula. The formula should be added with the so now I'm going to multiply this with the -1, so it will be reverse. So here you can see we have the price last year as 3 and the current is 2, so it's negative, showing the negative result because it's a negative impact. So this is a simple formula. So I want you to subscribe my channel right now, and I will really recommend you to leave your comment as well. So this will help me a lot to and it's to really give support us, also motivate us as well. So I'm going to add the figures over here again and show you another example. That's a simple example as well. I hope you learned. So please leave a like on my video, and don't forget to subscribe right now. The current year price is 10, 15, 14, 2, 9. So this is a simple we are going to apply a simple formula for the calculation of change of percentage. So change of percentage formula is we are going to use as, here you will find a different result because we are going to find the in the second example the value will be based on current year. Okay, so based on current year we are going to apply a formula as is equal to open two brackets, then cell reference will be H6. Let me put the cell reference. So for that I need to have the normal keyboard. So normal keyboard will be so I'm going to put the formula as open double bracket, and then showing some problem over here. Let me apply this formula again. Is equal to double bracket H6 H6 subtracted from G6, and then close bracket, divide with the H6, and then H6 means the price of current year, and then we will close the bracket and multiply with the -1. So here we will get the result as, we don't need to multiply with the -1 in this example. We just need to multiply with the H6 should be multiply with the 100%, then close bracket. So here you can see we have the result over here. On this the difference, the amount is totally same, but you can see the difference. We can change this formula as well. We need to change this formula as well. Let me show you what we need to change over here. Here we can apply, here we can change one thing over here, as last year multiply with the 100%. So answer is similar, but the formula can be considered as right, because this is the formula officially given by with the mathematician to calculate the percentage change. So that's why I apply over here, but we also got the result with the previous formula as well. So this is the correct formula. So I have explained you how to calculate and find a change of percentage in Excel, or you can use Android application as well. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. We have multiple training also available on my channel, so you can find it on my channel or from the link given in the description. So you can see these example as well. Here you can see on your screen. So these are very useful example, and you can try these for your practice and the understanding as well. There are multiple example available. So I hope you will like this video and leave a comment as well, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.